So we are starting second unit. In unit 2 we have diagrammatic and graphical presentation or diagrammatic presentation we can say. In this unit we have to represent the questions. Whatever value are given to us, whatever data is given to us, we have to represent the data in form of graphs or in form of any of the diagrams. In graph basically we have line diagrams, bar diagrams. In bars we have multiple bar diagrams, percentage bar diagrams, and we have apart from bar diagrams we have histograms, frequency polygons. So few 8 or 9 types of questions are there. In the from that we are starting first one, line diagram. How to draw line diagram for this one. So everyone have to listen this one carefully, so that whatever you have done in previous classes in SSC, maybe you have done histograms in that 10th class. Now we have quite similar thing, but because you have done a long time back, you need to remember the graph concept, how to draw and all. Now to draw line diagram, what are the things given to us? Year and profit are given to us. It is anyhow not visible that much. So what you have to do, you have to watch carefully, listen each and every word whatever I am telling to you. Year is there, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4. 5 values are given to us, and profit is given to us, some 5 values to corresponding values to the years. Means in year 2000 profit is 125, in year 2001 the profit is 225. So yearly profits they have given. So by seeing this question, I have to watch carefully to check in which year profit was more. If the same thing is shown on graph, it is quite easy to, by seeing that one we can get to know where the curves increases. So by seeing the graph directly we can get an idea regarding that. So the purpose of drawing the graph is to make the question easier to understand. Now just to represent this question in on a 2D graph, that means two-dimensional graph, we are putting the values here. What you have to do to draw the graph? Basic few points you need to remember. What are the points? Suppose this is the graph paper. We can consider graph paper from don't think this total sheet is a graph paper, just consider whatever box I have taken, that is your graph paper. Now once we have the graph sheet, what we have to do is, first check how many years are given to us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First line always belongs to x-axis. What is x-axis? We have to first check any negative values are there. If there are no negative values, just leave 2 lines from left side. Take arrow mark here. Then leave 2 lines from downwards, whatever graph sheet is there. From bottom of the graph, we have to leave 2 lines and take one straight line to the end of the paper. Take arrow mark here. This line is x-axis. This is x dash, means negative 2 values are there. Anyhow, x scale. If you are not taking x dash also, no issue. You can leave this one. Then this is y scale. We have x-axis and y-axis. Where I have taken this one? On a graph sheet, we have to leave left side 2 lines and bottom 2 lines. Anyhow, I'll post one paper also, graph sheet also. You have to learn how to draw here. Now we are drawing line diagram. First one is line diagram. So for that line diagram or any other diagrams, first year is taken here itself. This is year on this line, and y scale consider of profit. First we have to do, leave some space, take year. Here we have profit on Y scale. Now in year, how many years? 5 years are there. Not count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Many boxes are there. So what we can do? Intersection is anyhow this is 0. Now here we have to take 2000. So what I will do is by leaving 2 boxes I will take year. This is 2000. Again 2 boxes 2001. Again 2 boxes I have left 2002. Again 2 boxes 2003. Again 2 boxes 2004. So how many what I have taken? 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004 by leaving 2 boxes. You can also take by taking 3 boxes also. See, main aim, the main aim should be we have to use maximum of graph paper. Maximum of graph paper means if this is the sheet, if I take 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, graph will end here itself. So what you have to do to represent this one in types of a picture or else graphical presentation, we have to use the maximum of graph paper. To use maximum, if x scale is there, we have got 5 values. We can adjust 5 values for equal intervals. If I leave 3 boxes, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. 2000, 3 boxes for 2000. Here 0 to this I am taking 2000. Here 1, 2, 3. Here I am taking 2001. 1, 2, 3. Here I am taking 2002. 1, 2, 3. 2003. Again 1, 2, 3. 2004. Equal interval should be there. What does it mean? Whenever you are drawing any of the graph, you should keep in mind to have equal gaps in between them. Don't think that this is dark line because I have made this print in that way. But what you need to do is think that this box is graph paper. And what you have to do? You have to take one line here and one line here by leaving two lines from bottom and from, or you can leave 3 lines from bottom, 3 lines from left side. Then whatever first value is there, here is given, you can write here, and profit or profits are there, you have to write on Y scale. Now 0 is there, years are there. What is the type of writing years? I am not writing here on one box. 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4. I am not making them writing one box each. What I am doing, I am leaving 3 box and writing one value. 3 box I am writing one value. So such thing is scale reading. X scale. On the top of the graph you can write X scale equals to how many boxes we are leaving? 3 boxes we are leaving. 3 centimeters equals to difference of them 1 unit. 3 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Now Y scale. Now check the highest value in Y. In profit we find highest is 310. Highest is 310 and the least value. Least value is how much? 125. Now least value is 125. Highest is 310. If we find the difference between them, 125 more than 200 is the difference. So what we can do is we can start by 100. Then we can take difference of 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. Okay. If we take 30 difference, 2 boxes, 100, 120, or 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. So we can take 50 difference each. For 0 is there, I am starting by taking here. The value is 125, so I will take 100. Then after 100 for 2 boxes, I am taking 150. 2 boxes, 200. 2 boxes, 250. 2 boxes, 300. 2 boxes, 350. 400 also you can consider your wish. So from where I have taken this one, on X scale what we will do, intersection is 0. And on X scale we have taken years, on Y scale we have taken values. How to take Y scale values? See, the least value is 125, you can start from 100 or 120, your wish. And check, if we take 20 difference, can we able to cover 10 or not? If we take 20 difference or 30 difference, can we cover that one or not? You can check in that way and write down the values. So I have started with 100. Least make it 120 also, your wish. 120, then 170. In that way also you can. But you should cover that 310 also here. First value is from 2000, 125. We have to plot at 125. From 2000, this is the 2000 point. From that point, we have to go till 125. See 100, 150. Difference 125 comes in between. This is 125. Take a check mark. Then 2001, 225. From 2001 point, 225. This is 200. This is 250. So in between, this is 225. Now 2002, 250. From 2002, we have 250. Then 2003, 270. From 2003, 270. 250 and 300. So these are 20 lines actually. 250 and 300. In center, what is the value? 275. We need 270. Somewhat here, bottom. Then 2004 to 310. From 2004 to 310. 300 na? So 310. Now we have to line diagram. So we have to make lines by joining each and every point. Take arrows. So how to draw this line diagram? Once again check it out. This is the question given to us, year-end profit. What we have to do is, first we have to take x scale and y scale by leaving two lines from bottom of the paper, and from left side of the paper take dark lines to the end of the graph, take x and y scale. Now for x scale, what we are doing, we are leaving three boxes to adjust that line. To fill the line, we are leaving three boxes. If you want to leave 4 boxes also, you can leave four boxes, but 2004 should come under the graph itself. Now for this y scale, what we have to do, first we have to check the least value, which is 125, highest value is 310. So I have to write from 125 to 300, and I have to use maximum graph. So you should find the difference, how much you have to take. I find 50 difference, standard difference. I have taken 50 each. You can take 20 difference also, but you should get that 310 on y scale itself. Now what you can do is, from 0 to 2000, 2000 to 2001, three boxes are there. What you can do is, you can take one false baseline here. This arrow mark, heartbeat symbol is there now. This arrow mark you can take. Why we are taking this one? In the next graph I will show you why we are taking this false baseline. Just for now you can remember this is to be false baseline. Now y scale, what we have done? In y scale, how many boxes we have left? 2 boxes. 2 centimeter. Whenever we are leaving any box, we should write that many boxes centimeter. Here we have left 3 boxes, 3 centimeter. Here we have left 2 boxes. Now unit, how many units? We have to take the difference. Subtract both of them. 150 minus 100 is 50. So the difference is 50 units. How to write this x scale and y scale units? First, if we are writing x scale, check number of boxes left. First boxes, centimeters. Box we are leaving because one box is of 1 centimeter. That's why 3 centimeter. And why 1 unit? Because we have 2001 minus 2001. So 1 unit. Here we are leaving two boxes. So 2 centimeter. And what is the difference of it? 150 minus 100. That is 50. So 50 units. So maybe watch 2-3 times. Definitely you'll get this one. Then in next video, next type of graph. So total 8 different graphs are there. So 8 different small videos you have to watch in order to get this unit.